Hey gamers, guess what this is? Well, given that Royal Mail delivered this at 8 AM, thanks Royal Mail, I was very fortunate to get that. It could only be one thing. Oh, it's looking good. Made in Malaysia. Ooh. Oh. Ah, yes. The Core I7-6700. Lovely. What does the back of the box say? Genuine Intel, I guess. Yes. With a thermal solution. 3-year limited warranty and instructions. Awesome stuff. Important. Requires a motherboard with a LGA 1151 socket and specific enabled hardware, software or services activation to utilize certain Intel technologies. Well, I'm sure we're okay there. So, oh look, see the processor on top of the box. Yeah. Oh, they could have shipped me a K version for free. I don't care. Awesome. Anyway, let's get ready into this factory sealed box, you know? Because, well, I got nothing to say about that. See what we get for our money. Cooler. Heat sink spreader. Oh, wow. Oh, look at that. Yeah. What's this then? 12 volt, 1.17 amp fan. Yeah. With thermal solution applied to the base of it. By the looks of it. Yeah. Put that back in the box, keep it safe. And we have one processor. And as you can see, for some time now they've don't have pins on the back. So you're less likely to damage the chip when you're installing it. So this will be the first time I've installed a chip without pins. So this should be easy enough to plug in. You can still see in the corners the little symbols, which are probably going to line up with something on the motherboard to say this goes here and that goes there. But yeah, I'm excited to go with this. Nothing else in the box. No. Alright, brilliant. So that means I'll be able to get to doing my other unboxings. I think I might go for that. Yeah, really looking forward to seeing what's inside that. Ooh, yeah. I am so looking forward to seeing what this graphics card looks like. Alright guys, take it easy, peace and out.